we got another video with a nerf elite blasters. It's not nerf, unlike nerf it is a soft bullet speed flight. Age 6 plus, and it is exclusive appearance, good quality, benefit growth, and 6 bullets. I think it's some kind of awesome. Cool. Its illustrations are written clearly. First one, open easy aimer, loading accessories. Cool. Loading bullets, pull back the load, and finally pull the trigger and for ready to fire bullets. It is written safe, simulating puzzle heads. It is also can be played as multiple choice. Yes. Oh. Yeah, it can be played multiplayer too. So let's get into the unboxing, later to review and firing test. And let's start. Would you like a scissors, please? Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, fine. Once again, guys, I'm coming, but once again. Okay, here is the package. I don't give that much power to the package, and so many warnings made in China, blah 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 blah, some things. Then given some target practices. I love this target practices. How to shoot. Okay, I'm keeping here. Okay, now here is our blaster. Once again, it looks cool. Okay, once again. Wow. Oh, thank you. The elite darts. Oh, fine. Thank you.
Welcome, brother.
It chose 6 bullets, but I got 10 bullets. I'm using nerf elite dots. Let me see. Okay, loading this thing up. Okay, now let's see how it works. It's cool. It's better. Okay, and I understood how to use this, and it looks pretty cool. Okay, it's one just shoot. When you lift this, the next one fire. Then next. See, it powers good. Unlike its trigger, when it moves, the pressing switch trigger moves. Actually, here we got a 2 storage house, nothing else in the storage house, and we got finally one aimer to just aim, one aimer, small aimer. Now, let's turn into a firing test. Let me load me out. Load. Thank you. Okay. Finally, some target. Okay. Oh, my friend, you are trying to meet the loader. Okay, I could take with this blaster. Finally. Oh, not that better. One more chance. Cool. Nice stuff. And here we finally. Now my basic chance is this nerf looks even cooler and easy to hold. So like you have your nerf storing place, like you can see like that. Then you can easily turn like an easy blaster, easy to use. So I say this guy is awesome. If you want this one of these and you feel it's awesome, click like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.